Hello children, back to our science class. We all completed lesson 5, our nervous system now. I am going to revise once again. Look at this. The brain plays an important role in the nervous system. Every system contains some organs. So what organs it contains? I explained it first. Recall that the organs which are present in the nervous system are brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nerves are fiber or wire-like structures which present all over the body and carry messages from all parts of the body to brain or brain to all parts of the body. Now tell me who are carrying messages from all parts of the body to brain? Nerves. And who are carrying messages from brain to all parts of the body? Nerves. All messages are carried by the nerves. Where are they? Nerves are present all over the body. Who is the control system of our human body? Brain. Okay, what are the organs present in the nervous system, Anna? Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, here I explained about this one first. Later, I explained you the structure of brain. This is the human brain. It has three main parts. The largest part of the brain is called cerebrum. The second part of the brain is called cerebellum. The stem or bulb-like structure is there no here. It is called medulla oblongata. Is extended to spinal cord. The brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, which help us to think, learn, remember, speak, and feel. Okay, it also help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Next one, cerebellum. It works. This is cerebellum. It works under the control of cerebrum. It helps in working of muscles. It maintains the body balance. Next one, medulla oblongata. All involuntary actions are controlled by the medulla oblongata. Breathing, digestion, heartbeat, all involuntary actions. Actions which are not under our control. All involuntary actions are controlled by the medulla oblongata. Heartbeat, breathing, everything. All movements are controlled by medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata continues down along the back of the body as the spinal cord. It only extends as spinal cord. Okay. The next part of the nervous system are the nerves. They present all over the body. Every nerve is made by a neuron or nerve cell. Every part, this is an organ. It is a part of the human body. So every part of the human body is made by the cell. So the nerves are made by nerve cell. This is the structure of nerve cell, and it will be in this in the like this in the body. Okay, every nerve cell has a center. The center is called nucleus. The center of the nerve cell or neuron is called nucleus. Some small branches arising from the nerve cell are called dendrites. A long branch which is arising from the cell body is called axon. Other branches, dendrites, are having connections with the axons. Okay, this is the structure of nerve cell. We have three types of nerves. They are sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Okay, nerves which are carrying messages from sense organs to brain are called sensory nerves. Nerves which are carrying messages from brain to all parts of the body are called motor nerves. Some nerves are there, they are carrying messages from sense organs to brain, and they itself carrying messages from brain to parts of the body. They are called mixed nerves. Next one, spinal cord. It links the brain and rest of the body. Look at here, this is the spinal cord. It is linking brain and rest of the body. All body is connected to the brain by the spinal cord only. A reflex action is automatic reaction which is done without thinking. Okay, without thinking it will do. Okay, reflex automatic actions are called reflex actions. Okay, example, after seeing the snake we will run. After seeing the hot pan we will move will take out our hand. All these are quick reactions. Automatic actions are called reflex actions. After that, we discussed about sense organs. Sense organs are the windows to the outside world. They are connecting us with outside world. Outside, whatever sound we hear, Our ears help us to hear. Outside, whatever in the nature we are able to see. All these, okay, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, feeling, all these are connected to the brain only. So these sense organs are called windows to the outside world. We have how many sense organs, Nana? Five sense organs. At first, I explained you about eyes. Every eye has three main parts. Okay, transparent layer will be, that is called cornea. Okay, cornea is the outer transparent layer, and white ball is called sclera. When you see white ball, in the center of the white ball we can see a colored ring, that is called iris. In the center of the iris, it has a small hole called pupil. Light enters into the eye with the help of pupil. Behind the pupil, there is a lens. What the light entered into the pupil, no, it was focused by the lens on the retina, Nana. Okay, on retina, it focuses the inverted image of the object. Optic nerves carries that image to the brain. The brain analyzes and send the message to the eye again back. Okay.